menyelesaikan puzzle baru, yaitu Sudoku. Yeay! Di sini kalian ada yang udah tahu atau udah pernah main nggak sih apa itu Sudoku? Aku secara pribadi belum pernah main dan aku sendiri nggak tahu apa itu Sudoku. Yes. Tapi aku dengar di beberapa negara Sudoku ini benar-benar famous gitu. Nah, jadi aku penasaran ingin menyelesaikan atau bermain dengan puzzle ini. Oke, dan kebetulan nih di CodinGame kita punya puzzle yaitu Sudoku yang harus diselesaikan. Jadi aku ingin mengambil kesempatan untuk bermain dengan puzzle ini. Nah, kali ini kita akan menyelesaikannya dengan Excel. Oh ya, ada satu hal yang ingin aku sampaikan kepada kalian, yaitu di menit ketiga kalian akan menemukan bahwa audio di video ini akan berubah. Kenapa? Karena kemarin sebenarnya aku sudah melakukan beberapa tes nih sebelum melakukan video gitu ya. Dan biasanya tuh nggak pernah terjadi apa-apa. Tapi nggak tahu kenapa kemarin itu tiba-tiba audionya tuh nggak terlalu perfect gitu, nggak tahu kenapa. Oke, kalau bisa kalian taruh komentar tentang audio ini ya, mengganggu atau biasa aja gitu. Oke, yuk yang penasaran langsung aja yuk, let's do it.
Halo keluarga Coding, happy to see you again.
Hai Coding.
Alright, kalian udah dengar sebelum dipanggil dia udah datang.
Ready? Alright, let's try something new. Do you know Sudoku? Have you ever played Sudoku in your life?
No.
Me neither.
Tapi puzzle kali ini yang akan kita selesaikan ini adalah Sudoku.
But I know it's famous, so I thought let's give it a try.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what Sudoku is about.
Yeah.
So today Excel and Sudoku validator.
Yeay! Oke, jadi hari ini kita akan menyelesaikan puzzle Sudoku validator pakai Excel.
So yeah, I never played, but the rules are quite simple, right?
Yes.
So you get a Sudoku grid.
Yeah.
And Sudoku consists of 9 by 9 numbers, and it's divided in 3 by 3 cells. So 9 cells.
Yes.
So for the grid to be correct, each row must contain one occurrence of each digit. Okay, so one occurrence of each digit from 1 to 9.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Each column also must contain one occurrence of each digit 1 to 9. Yeah. So that's the second rule.
Yes.
Rule 1. Rule 2. Rule 3.
Wow.
Each subgrid, which is this cell 3 by 3, must contain one occurrence of each digit 1 to 9.
Wow.
Good.
Good. Jadi di sini kalian mendapatkan kotak Sudoku dari para pemain, ya, yang dimana kalian itu harus memeriksa apakah sudah terisi dengan benar atau belum, gitu ya. Nah, di aturannya ini seperti yang tadi sudah kita baca bersama, ya. Jadi kotak Sudoku ini terdiri dari 9 kali 9 sama dengan 81 sel, ya, yang terbagi dalam 9 subjaringan. Yes.
Perfect. So the input is this 9 by 9 numbers, and the output true if it meets the rules, false if it fails the rules. Yes?
Yes.
So these are the various cases that we have to pass in Excel. Yes. So this grid should give true, for example. And this is another correct grid. It also gives true, right? And then, there are the errors. So this should be wrong. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
We're ready to rock and roll.
Oke, sekarang kita akan melakukannya di Excel. Yep.
Perfect. So we're gonna copy
Okay.
These are 9 rows.
Ya, jadi di sini ada 9 rows.
And this is a string. This is another string.
Yeah.
Here is another text.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So we copy,
Kita copy.
and we go to Excel.
Okay.
Shall we show the solution first, and then we do it together?
Yes.
Boom. Alright.
Oke, sekarang kita udah ada di Excel. Seperti yang bisa kalian lihat di sini udah tertera solusinya. Ya tapi gimana gitu, kita kan mau tahu ya gimana cara kalian menyelesaikannya gitu. Oke, sekarang kita akan menjelaskannya setelah kita melihat solusi yang kita telah selesaikan. Oke.
Perfect. So here we put the grid with the numbers, right? 9 by 9 numbers.
Jadi di sini ada grid 9 kali 9 sama dengan 81 sel, oke?
And each of these 9 little portions are the subgrid 3 by 3. Yes?
Iya.
Perfect.
Yes. Nah, jadi itu dari 9 kali 9 grid ini tuh masih dibagi menjadi sub jaringan yang dimana 3 kali 3 sama dengan 9. Oke?
Perfect. And then we have 3 types of checks. Yes?
Yes.
They told us, first of all, the rows must be okay. Yeah. Then the columns must be okay.
Yes.
And then the cells, each of these cells must be okay.
Yes.
All 9 cells must be okay. So this is how the solution is organized. Yeah?
Yes.
So here we check, for example, the rows. Yeah? And here we check the first row.
Yes.
Yeah? Why is it okay? Yeah? Because the numbers 1 to 9 appear only once.
Iya. Nah, jadi di setiap kolom atau di setiap rows kalian itu harus lihat di sana akan terdapat nomor dari 1 sampai 9 yang dimana nomornya itu nggak boleh double. Ya, di dalam subjaringan itu juga ada nomor 1 sampai 9 yang nggak boleh double, gitu ya. Okay.
So this okay means the first row is okay. Yeah? This okay means the second row is okay.
Yes.
This okay means, yeah?
Ya, oke itu maksudnya nggak double gitu, semua angka 1 ada 1, angka 2 ada 1, angka 3 ada 1 gitu, jadi nggak ada yang double. Oke.
And so if each number appears only one time, it's okay.
Yes.
Perfect, right?
Ya, jadi alasan kita kasih tulisan oke itu kalau nomornya semua benar gitu, nggak ada yang double-double atau gimana. Ya, oke.
And then if all the rows are okay,
Oke.
then the row check is okay.
Yes.
Good.
Good.
Okay, that was the first type of rule. Second type of rule on the columns. Maybe
Yes.
you want to explain it, yes? So we look at this column.
Ya, sama aja itu tuh kayak yang tadi. Kalau tadi kan kita membahas baris, nah kalau sekarang kita membahas kolom. Yang dimana ini ada kolom, dari kolom ini ada 9 baris ke bawah. Nah, di situ tuh angkanya masih berantakan. Nggak apa-apa, yang penting nomornya itu nggak ada yang double, gitu ya. Nah, makanya di sini sekarang di sel selanjutnya kalian bisa lihat angka 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, lalu di hasil akhir itu oke karena nggak ada yang double. Okay.
So this is okay. Why? Because the number 1 appears one time here.
Yes, nomor 2
Appear
1
one
kali.
time here.
Nomor 3 juga 1 kali.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect. And then because these are only appear 1, this is okay. Yeah?
Yes.
And then if all the columns are okay, then
Column check. Okay.
and then we have the complication of checking each cell group.
Yes.
Okay, so the way we do it, we give a color to each of them.
Yes. Jadi di sini kita kasih warna yang beda ya, dan kalian mudah memahaminya.
Yeah, we say this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, yeah, sixth. This is the 9th cell. Yeah, and we see that the 9th is this one here.
Yeah.
And the 7th, yeah, is this one here.
Yep.
And also here, each number must appear once.
Ya. Di
And
sini
if
kalian.
you do, that cell is okay.
Yes.
It's okay means the cell number 1 is okay. Yes?
Yeah.
Is okay means the cell number 2. Yeah?
It's okay. Ya, jadi di sel nomor pertama itu kan ada 1, 2, 3 sampai 9, yang dimana dia menjelaskan bahwa 1, 1, 1, 1 itu karena nomornya nggak ada yang double, lalu jawabannya oke. Dan begitu seterusnya, meskipun di baris nomor 2 ini dia diawali dengan angka 4, tapi nggak apa-apa meskipun berantakan selagi nomornya nggak ada yang 2 kali terulang, it's okay gitu ya. Dan selagi angka 1 sampai 9 itu ada di dalamnya, it's okay. Okay.
And then if all of them are okay,
Cell
then,
check.
yeah, and this is the third type. Yeah? And then if the 3 types are okay, yeah, if this, and this are okay, then the whole Sudoku is okay. And we say true.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya kalian udah cek nih di row checknya itu it's okay, di column checknya juga oke, di cell checknya juga oke, baru kesimpulannya keseluruhan Sudoku ini true, benar. Jadi jawaban kalian tuh benar, kisinya udah benar gitu. Oke.
Yeah,
Yeah.
here we see if this,
Yeah.
and this.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is true,
Yes.
which is the output we have to give.
Yes.
True.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oke.
And if we ruin, for example, this,
Oke. Misalnya kita mau menghancurkan menaruh nomor yang aneh gitu.
and we write precisely, which of course that's not correct.
Ya, itu kan juga benar ya.
Okay, then we say that the whole Sudoku is not correct.
Yes.
Why? Because the column check fails. Why? Because this column is wrong.
Yes.
And it says, it's wrong because the number 8 is missing.
Iya, jadi kata dia nomor 8 nggak ada. Di sini kamu dikasih tahu, kalian dikasih tahu ada 0 kan 1 1 1 1 tiba-tiba 0. Apa sih 0 ini? 0 itu ada di nomor 8. Jadi nomor 8 ini nggak ada apa-apa gitu, malah trisi salah gitu ya.
And then this row is wrong.
Jadi row ini jadi salah juga ya kan?
Again, because number 8 is missing. There are 0 instead of 1 time.
Yes.
So this row is wrong, because this symbol says wrong. And because one of them is wrong, this is wrong. This is
Ya,
wrong.
kalian bisa lihat simbol sedih. Nah, jadi akhirnya kesimpulannya keseluruhan Sudoku ini akhirnya false, meskipun hanya satu aja gitu yang salah, ya jadinya false. Okay?
And because we ruined the cell number 2, we ruined the cell number 2, we see it's ruined.
Yes.
And indeed, we notice that the number 8 is
Zero.
missing. There's only one time.
Ya, oke, pasti kalian udah ngerti sampai sini. Lihat contoh ini, oke.
Good?
Good.
Perfect. Perfect. By the way, this is very useful. You go to formulas, you go to the cell you want to check, trace precedents. Okay. Good. All right. So now we explain the solution. We see if it works or not first, and then we recreate it. What do you think?
Good idea.
All right. Great.
Oke, sekarang kita mau lihat solusinya.
So to check it, we make a copy of this spreadsheet. To do it, you right-click here.
Ya, good right.
Make
Oke.
a copy. This is the copy.
Yes.
And voila. And now we have a copy. These two are the same.
Jadi ini
Yes.
dua-duanya sama ya. Jadi kita udah copy.
Then we go here.
Nah,
But there is the second case.
ya,
Case
tadi itu
2.
kan ada kasus pertama yang kita udah coba. Nah, sekarang kita ambil contoh lain gitu di test cases CodinGame ini.
You should be correct. Here we go. Copy.
Kita copy,
And then we go to the spreadsheet.
kita pindahin ke Excel yang kedua nih, yang kopiannya itu. Oke.
We have to paste it.
Ya,
So
kita
as usual, paste special.
harus special, terus text, ya. Oke.
And it fails.
Okay.
So let's see why it fails. Okay. What happens is when we paste, we get this string, right?
Ya, ketika kita nge-paste gitu ya, ngesalin, kita dapat string ini.
Instead, we want one number in each cell.
Ya, sedangkan yang kita mau itu kan setiap number ada di setiap cell gitu. Kita nggak mau mereka jadi satu string bertumpuk begini kan. Nah, jadinya copy paste yang tadi itu nggak benar tuh. Oke?
So to fix this, you set that. The strings.
Ya,
And you go to data,
ya.
text, two columns, split.
Nah, ini untuk memisahkan. Yep. Next.
In our case, there is a space separating
Yep.
each number. Now you see these lines represented the space separates.
Ya. Next.
And voila.
Sekarang mereka jadi terpisah setelah kita pisahkan ya. Kalau tadinya itu kan masih bertumpuk jadi satu dalam satu string. Nah, kalau ini sekarang udah terpisah dan kalian bisa copy.
Perfect. And now if we try to paste again, now it works.
Iya.
So let's go here and let's try.
Yep.
Paste special, test,
Oke.
and voila.
Wow.
So it is different, you see,
Ya.
but it's also correct. Different.
Meskipun dia beda, tapi dia juga tetap sama karena aturannya itu benar gitu. Jadi aturannya itu kan kalian harus menaruh angka dari 1 sampai 9, nggak boleh ada yang 5 kali terulang. Oke.
Now let's see case 3.
Yep. Kita coba ya kasus yang ketiga. Kita ambil lagi contohnya di CodinGame.
Case 3, this one.
Ya, row
And we know,
error.
there is an error
Wow,
in the row. Yeah?
false. Ya.
False. Row error.
Nah, ini hasilnya akan salah, akan false. Oke. Text. Ya.
Perfect.
Nah, seperti yang kalian bisa lihat di sini false.
So as they said, there was a row problem, and in fact we find that there is a row problem.
Jadi masalahnya ada di row, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yes.
So number 2 is repeated twice.
2 kali.
And then
Number 5, number 5 itu nggak ada number 5. Terus juga jadi hasilnya sedih dia karena nggak complete. So ada yang double. Nah, lalu baris yang kedua juga sama. Di sini nomor 2 nggak ada.
And so this is false, which is the solution.
Yes.
False. Perfect. Let's check the next one. We check them all again.
Yeah.
So what do you expect now? Column error.
Wow.
What do you expect?
Again. Kali ini errornya akan ada di kolom. Okay.
Make a copy. Yes. Okay,
4. Next. Ya, sekarang seperti yang kalian bisa lihat bahwa false-nya itu, salahnya itu ada di kolom. Tadi kan ada di row, nah sekarang ada di kolom. Ya, oke. Sekarang kita coba kasus lain yang dimana juga false juga. Di sini subgrid error.
Yeah, the third category of error. Yes.
Ya. Kita copy and paste lagi. Text, oke. Ya.
And indeed, yeah, this is correct.
Ini benar, ini
This
juga
is
benar.
correct.
Nah, sekarang salahnya ada di sini, di subscript, di subjaringan. Ya, kalian bisa lihat. Wow.
Because the number 1 is missing, for example, from here. Yeah, number 1 is missing.
Ya, nomor 1 di sini nggak ada dari sini.
Repeated twice.
Ya, di sini nomor 8 keulang 2 kali.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is wrong, so this is false.
False.
Perfect. Next, let's see if the solution is correct, and then we see how we create it. Yeah.
Wow, yes.
Rubbish error. What's that? No. Please, what's that? Rubbish error. Wow.
Sekarang banyak banget errornya di mana-mana seperti yang kalian bisa lihat.
Everything is
Karena
wrong.
hampir semuanya nomornya itu nggak tepat gitu ya. Ada yang keulang 2 kali, ada yang nggak ada yang keulang 4 kali. Oh wow.
This is incredible.
Parah banget. Okay.
So, okay, 7. There is a special case. Error again.
Kita lihat sekarang di kasus nomor 7. Oke, kita copy special. Yep. Wow, oke. Sekarang di sini salahnya itu ada di row, dan di kolom, dan juga di subjaringan.
So, free, for example, yeah.
Ya, dia pada keulang 2 kali. Ada yang ada dan keulang 2 kali. Oke.
Perfect. So, it works.
Yep.
Now we look at the solution.
Wow, yes.
Alright, let's start from an empty sheet.
Yuk, kita copy, kita pindahin ke sini. Special.
So, where do we start? Maybe let's start from this? Huh?
Yes.
From this
Yes.
row.
The first row. Okay.
So, you have to check that the number 1, there is only once.
Yap, kita harus cek nih di sini kalau nomor 1 nggak keulang, cuma 1 kali. Oke, cara ceknya sama dengan yes, COUNTIF.
Yes, yep, COUNTIF. So, in a certain range, there should be only how many times?
Yes.
Okay.
Cuma 1 kali ya.
So, we put the usual colors.
Untuk ngeblok, yes. Oke. Oke.
And voila.
Sekarang di sini dia kasih tahu kita bahwa di baris pertama ini angka 1 cuma ada 1 kali, angka 2 cuma ada 1 kali, angka 3, angka 4, angka 5, angka 7, 8, 9 cuma terulang 1 kali. Nah, oke. Itu caranya ya. Nah, kita copy nih semua tadi rumusnya.
Yeah, it works, right? If, for example, number 2 was substituted.
Nah, misalnya kita ulang nih.
Yeah, it
Oke.
works, right?
Dia langsung bilang salah karena 8 terulang 2 kali kata dia. Oke.
Perfect. So this was the problem. Again, we count how many times the number 2 appears, right? It must be
Yeah.
only once.
Harus 1 kali. Oke.
Perfect. And now we verify this.
Yes.
Yes?
Nah, di sini tuh kita mau kasih tahu dia kalau misalnya angkanya nggak ada yang terulang, jawabannya kasih jawaban oke gitu ya. Caranya sama dengan COUNTIF.
Now again,
Lalu kita masukin lagi nih.
we count how many times is the number
Terulang.
1, yeah?
Yep.
Because they should always give 1, yes?
Yes.
So the result should be 9 times.
Yes.
And the way we do it, so this gives 9. So the expected result is 9. We subtract 9, and so we get 0
Yes.
when it's 9.
Okay, yes. Kita copy semua rumusnya. Yep.
Yes. The reason why we did this minus 9 minus 9, yes, is because in this way we can show OK or the unhappy face. Yes, to do it, you go Control 1.
Yes.
Format cells, number, custom,
Yes.
and then use this that basically says if the number is negative,
Yeah.
it shouldn't be negative. So we
Yes.
put unhappy face. If the number
Okay.
is positive, it shouldn't, unhappy face.
Yes.
And if it's 0, we say okay.
Okay.
And this way we can show this pretty okay with unhappy
yes,
face.
yes, okay.
Again, now we can do the same thing here, right?
Ya, jadi kita akan melakukan hal yang sama juga nih di bawahnya untuk row check.
COUNTIF.
Copy.
Here, they are all 0. They should be all
Yes.
0. Yes. And they should be 9.
Yes.
Then, oh well.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it took a lot of time.
Oke. Yep. Nah sekarang. Jadi kan tadi kita udah coba nih ya taruh angka 2 lagi di situ. Nah, terus dia bilang enggak bisa lah keulang 2 kali. Jadi akhirnya oke berganti dengan wajah seperti itu.
Perfect. So here we check.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And here we
Okay.
check this.
Yes.
All right. Perfect. This is F2. When I do this is F2
Yes.
to verify.
Yes.
Yeah, this formula what cells are using.
Ah.
Perfect. Now we do the same for the columns.
Ya.
Perfect. Let's do the same thing for the columns. Yeah. Also here is the same idea.
Yep.
We check that this number 1.
Sama nih sebenarnya kayak yang tadi kita udah buat juga ya. Sama dengan COUNTIF lagi. Nah, kalian masukin ya di sini yang kolom ke bawah 1. Blok, kita blok lagi.
Oh, this is not clear. Here.
Kita blok.
All right.
Oke.
Here. Okay. This works everywhere.
Kita copy formulanya. Yep.
All right. Let's see if it works. Right? We
Yes.
change one column. This column here.
Ya. Sekarang kita ganti. Yes. Setelah kita taruh angka 1 bukan yang angka 2, di sini dia langsung kasih tahu nih di bawah. Dia bilang angka 1 keulang 2 kali.
Yeah.
Ya.
Perfect. So now we have to calculate the total here. Yes.
Yes.
Again, there should be 9 times 1.
Yes.
In here, 9 times 1 here, right?
Yes.
At this point, we know what to do, right?
Ya, kita udah tahu ya, cuman kita ulang-ulang lagi aja. Karena emang sama aja rumusnya. COUNTIF. Kita masukin range-nya.
So the column, yeah, must be always
1.
1.
Oke.
We block again,
Berapa lagi udah tadi?
and then we subtract 9, because we expect 9 times. Yeah, and again, the 0 means okay, everything else which is not
Yes.
0 means there is a mistake.
Ya. Oke, sekarang kita coba lihat. Yep. Oke, semuanya oke karena tidak ada yang terulang.
And then, like this formula, yeah, we're gonna do something similar here, yes?
Yes.
Let's check the columns.
Yes.
All right, so let's test it again.
Yeah.
Which column do we ruin? This. Well, so
Wow.
now this was ruined. Yep, perfect, right?
Oke.
Great, fantastic. So we solved the first 2 cases, yes?
Yes.
The row check and the column
And the
check.
column check. Sekarang kita harus menyelesaikan masalah di cell check.
Perfect. So now let's look at this cell. What
Yes.
we want to do, we want to put it straight. So then we can use this same logic.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Because again, once we straight, it should have 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1,
Yes.
etc. Yes? Alright, so how do we do it? Well, we're gonna use the most important formula in Excel, which is
Index.
Index, exactly. Index finger. And we did this already in onboarding, yes? In onboarding, we use index to reorganize the different shape.
Yes, I remember.
So we're gonna do it also here. Index. So what I did, first of all, I gave a name to
Yeah.
this region. Sudoku grid.
Sudoku grid.
Okay. And then we say index. And he wants an array.
Oke. Okay.
So the array is going to be this.
Sudoku grid.
Sudoku grid. Okay, and then we have to say, where do we go to fish the information?
Yes.
Okay, so we prepare a row and column where to take the information from.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so the row, well, we use this row, yes. For the column, we use the
Ya,
column.
kita ambil dari kolom ini. Oke.
Now we have to block it.
Yes. Jangan lupa blok pakai default ini. Lalu oke. Kita klik-kliknya.
And voila. So 1, 2,
3. Ya, kita langsung ambil sesuai berurutan nih dari kiri. 1, 2, 3, lalu pindah ke 4, 5, 6, 7. Ya. E, F, G, H, I. Yes.
You see
begitu.
how this?
Dia mengambil dari jaringan ini dipindahin ke sini secara horizontal.
Okay. All right. Now, so this logic allows us to take this grid and put it horizontally. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, but now we have to do it for all the others as well,
Ya,
right?
jadi kita mau melakukannya juga untuk semua jaringan ya, bukan cuma satu aja tadi.
So they are the same logic, but they have the top left different. This top left was, let's say, 0, 0. But here, you know, for the second one, the column is free.
Yes.
Yeah, the top left is 0, free, third, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And for example, the next one, yes, again, the top left would be 0 and 6. Yeah.
Yes.
So these are the 6 we skip. Good.
Good.
All right, let's do it. So we change a little bit the formula. Yes, to add the top left.
Yes.
Okay, so this was the row, let's remember. Yeah, this was the row, and so we have to take the top left for the row.
Yes.
Yes, and here we have to block again.
Yes.
And for the column, same story. We're gonna sum the column for the top left,
Yes.
and we block again. Okay, so here nothing has changed, but now we can copy everywhere.
Ya, kita bisa copy ke semuanya, meskipun belum ada yang lihat. Yep. Okay.
Let's try one of them. Which one would you want to try? This one,
Yes.
for example, or
Okay.
another one?
Yes.
This, okay?
Yes.
So, A, yeah, see, B,
C,
C, you see how it's
D,
coming?
yes. Sama aja kayak yang pertama tadi ya.
Perfect. So, so now that we managed to put each cell in a row using index,
Yeah.
we can use this same logic because it's just
Ya,
the
kita
same logic.
pakai logika yang sama.
So let's go here.
Count if. Yep.
We have to take it from here. That was F2.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Perfect. So we write the formula. I'm trying to go fast because another video is getting long. So, all right. Let's see what happens if we make a mistake. Again, if we make it here.
Kita coba bikin kesalahan ya.
Ya.
Oke. Angka 6-nya sekarang keulang 2 kali. Dia kasih tahu kalau angka 6 ada 2 kali.
Great. So now we have to do the same. Yeah, then we did it here.
Yes.
There. Yes.
Sama aja nih kayak tadi.
So 1 second, and again, I should have copied and pasted. All right. Alright.
Oke, sekarang kita dapat nih jawabannya. Oke semua karena emang nggak ada kesalahannya di dalam. Oke. Nah di sini kayak tadi kita ulang 2 kali. Oke.
Great. And now we only have to summarize these 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, which should be 0, 0, 0, right?
Yes.
So here we can say,
Cara dapetinnya gimana gitu biar dia bilang true or false kayak.
because we use AND when we have many conditions.
Okay.
Like condition 1 should be true and condition 2 should be true and condition 3. Yes?
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
condition 1 is that this must be equal to 0.
Ya.
Condition 2 is that this must be equal to
Equal to
0. And this
Must be equal to 0.
to 0. At the same time.
Yes.
And voila! So
Nah,
this is true.
sekarang dia langsung kasih kita hasil kalau misalnya kesimpulannya dari seluruh Sudoku ini tadi true, benar, udah benar gitu.
Perfect. As always, we will give the files. Yes,
Yeah.
you can download this file and you can ask any questions in the comments.
Ya, jadi kalian bisa download filenya ini di deskripsi ya. Nah, kalian juga bisa tanya pertanyaan di komen kalau ada hal yang mungkin menurut kalian itu belum jelas. Oke, sampai sini dulu untuk video Excel kali ini. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye!